So in summary, 2021 was a year of profitable growth through the execution of strategy against all key measures: revenue, profits, margin, PBT, etc. It was all very positive. Ad demand for quality mobile audiences seems to be increasing, with a particular emphasis there, as far as we're concerned, on the female audience that we seem to be benefiting from. Growing revenue per session on all our brands is a big objective as we move forwards, and we're seeing that filter through over the past 12 months. Diversifying the audience base is absolutely key and gives us huge confidence as we move forwards into future years. If we can grow a more significant volume of traffic from Google and direct visits, as we have in the past 12 months, we'll really be in a very, very strong position as we move forwards. Acquisition and integration success with the tab. It's absolutely clear that the remodeling of the tab that we did within the first month is really beginning to pay dividends for the business. Having switched it from a $500,000 loss-making business to a profitable business overnight, we're now in a position where we can really double down on investing in that and growing that platform as we move forward. So a great success story in terms of an acquisition. We've obviously had overperformance in the past year in terms of guidance being exceeded, and we think the guidance that's in the market at the moment, which is pointing to a plus 20% EBITDA for 2022, is very fair. We look to continue to deliver alongside the guidance that's put in place. We will hopefully be moving forwards on acquisitions this year. I can't tell you obviously which or what they are, but we are continuing to take a disciplined approach to any acquisitions that come into view and potential acquisitions that come into view, and we'll continue to make the right decisions on those. And it's fair to say, if we're talking about M&A and M&A pipeline, which I'm sure we'll get some questions on, but the tab was in the M&A pipeline from the moment we entered the AIM market in March 2019, and it took 18 to 20 months in order for it to come through. So these things do take time, but when the moment is right, you can have absolute confidence that we'll act. The business is set for a bright future. All the key indicators really are pointing in the right direction, and that has come from really where we set the business up with a view to the future and a view to future-proofing the business for further growth. And that, in summary, is really the end of the results presentation for 2021.